Hi DIY musicians, my name is Katie Longbecker. I am the president of DIY Public Relations in Los Angeles, and on this video series we talk about how artists like yourselves can grow your fan base organically without buying fake Spotify streams and without buying Instagram bots, because we don't like that. And I understand that a majority of independent artists do not have a $1 million or more marketing budget to support your releases. So how do you grow your fan base and engage your fans and create a sustainable career? So that's what we're talking about every day. I talk about something that I am dealing with in my life as a publicist, how I'm supporting my clients, how I'm pitching my clients to media, and the different things that come up in the day for me that I'm learning and that I think can help you. So we just had a holiday, Labor Day. And what I want to talk about today is it okay to reach out to media around a holiday like Labor Day or Memorial Day or 4th of July, for example? Now, what's the theme of all of those? What do you usually do around those times? If you have a job, are you in the office? Probably not. Are you around your computer? Probably not, unless you're stalking social media, right? So just be cognizant. I think something that I really like to encourage artists to do is think about your own habits as a user, right? So if you are pitching media for your new release, your new music release, you don't want to do it when someone is going to be out of the office, because when you're pitching editors, when you're pitching writers, when you're pitching bloggers, whoever it is, you want to be cognizant of what they are doing in their lives as well, okay? Because if you end up sending pitches to the media on, say, the Friday before Labor Day, first of all, don't pitch on a Friday. That's rule number one, and we can go over that in a different video. But you're probably not going to get a response if you're pitching previous to that weekend or, oh my gosh, on Labor Day when most people are out of the office on that Monday. That's just hands down, categorically, you do not want to do that, because your email will probably get lost in their inbox and they probably won't see it because they're getting such a high volume of pitches every day, every week, okay? So do not pitch the media when it's likely that they're going to be out of the office. So big rule of thumb there is when it is a holiday. Now, something that came up when I was thinking about this is how about holidays and how they relate to your theme and what music you're releasing, okay? So a few fun themes that do not typically involve people being out of the office around this holiday would be Halloween or Valentine's Day or Christmas. Well, Christmas, everybody's out of the office. But that being said, you can create releases around those holidays that can be beneficial for your pitching efforts. So, for example, if you're writing a love song and it's going to be released the Friday prior to Valentine's Day, because you always want it to be prior to the holiday, then potentially there will be some great Spotify playlists that you could be included on. But the reason you want that to come out prior to the holiday is because nobody's going to be listening to that playlist. Most people won't be listening to that playlist after Valentine's Day. So you want to get your music on that playlist prior to the holiday. So Valentine's Day is a great one. Halloween is a great one. And a lot of times press do what we call roundups. So that's a group of songs or a group of videos, a group of new music that is coming out around a specific theme. So in this situation, it could be our top 20 favorite new love songs for Valentine's Day. Okay, so you could be included in one of those roundups, and that would be a great opportunity for you. That's all, folks. That's all I got today. I hope that was helpful. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at Katie Longbecker, so at Kaytee Long, L-O-N-G, Becker, B-E-C-K-E-R, and watch other videos on my YouTube channel. Like I said, anything that I learned throughout the day that I think would be helpful for you, I'm going to post feel free to leave questions on the comment section and I will do my best to address them. And that's it. Thanks again for watching and tune in next time.